can a rotary encoder control an LED's brightness and behavior? Today in day 22 of our Sensors Challenge, we're using a rotary encoder module with Arduino UNO. We need an Arduino UNO, a rotary encoder module, a breadboard, jumper wires, and a USB. Now let's look at the connections of the rotary encoder to 5 volts and GND to ground. Then connect the LED through a resistor to a PWM pin on the Arduino. Connect the CLK and DT pins to the digital pins of the Arduino UNO. Connect the VCC pin and connect the other terminal to ground. Connect the VCC pin of the rotary encoder to 5 volts and GND to ground. Now comes the coding part. The reason we write Arduino code is because Arduino needs to continuously monitor the encoder's rotation and determine whether it is being turned clockwise or counterclockwise. Compile the sketch and upload the code. Now let's test it. Rotate the encoder clockwise and watch the LED become brighter. Rotate it counterclockwise and the brightness decreases. Each small click of the encoder gives precise control, making it perfect for menus, volume controls, and user interfaces.
Thanks for watching the Day 22 at 37 Sensor Challenge.